What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with Jessie wig once more. So this is the packaging. Let's go ahead and get into it. I have, oh my gosh, okay, I got this gorgeous wig here, which I'm gonna get into in a little bit. Okay, the goodies in here look pretty good. I got a beauty blender. I got some brushes. I've gotten makeup brushes in my packages before, but not necessarily like a whole pack of them. That's nice. I got a branded elastic band. Oh, me that one don't hit me. I got a pair of lashes, and I got a pair of HD wig caps. So that's everything in the package. Alright. Oh my gosh, guys, you know right now glueless wigs are like the it thing, right? So we have a gorgeous 24-inch 1B, gorgeous 24-inch 1B glueless, a 5x5 glueless HD lace closure wig. It's pre-cut, it's pre-plucked. Everything is done for you already. You really don't need to go in and pluck this any further. The hair feels really nice and soft, and this is very full. This is 24 inches long, guys. It is so full. I love that. And of course, as I said, glueless, so no adhesive needed. You just slip this on and go. Easy girl type of thing, easy at girl type of thing. You don't have to break your neck for go hair salon. Like, you're good. You can literally just do this on your own. Alright, so what makes it really easy to be secured is this adjustable strap on the inside, and they did put these like rubbery pieces on the strap, so this is easy to like stick to your wig cap. It won't slip easily, rather. And then they added 3 combs on the inside of the cap, and this cap, what I noticed, is very breathable. It's a breathable cap, so that's really nice, especially now in the summertime that it's so hot. So I love that. So yeah, that's how the wig is looking. As I said, it's a straight texture. In terms of density, all of that, it will be listed in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. So now that I show you guys how this wig is looking, let me go ahead and jump into just doing this easy installation. Go ahead and adjust this band to slip it onto my head, so it's nice and snugged. Slip it on, and it's so like melted. It's nicely camouflaged into my scalp. I love that. All I literally need to do is go ahead, get the top really flat and straighten it. Like, that's where most of the time comes in, you know, when you're just going to style it. But installation no longer takes much time. Who doesn't love a quick install? Like, let me know, because I know I do. It's way less hassle, it's less time, you know. It's perfect for all the busy girls. So I'm just gonna speed through me straightening this. So guys, this is so easy to straighten it. It's like, literally, it's like butter. Okay, literally, it's like butter, baby. It's not the first time I'm working with Jessie's wig, and let me tell you, the quality the first time was bomb, and it is bomb again this time. Like, this hair is like butter. like literally it's like butter. So all I need to go in and do, because the lace, we don't need baby hairs, like you literally don't need baby hairs for this at all. Glueless, realistic, and convenient, easy install. What I see, I do have a little piece of, like, the lace does have like some space, like a little bit of the space in the front, so I'm gonna cut away where there's definitely like no hair on it. So yeah, I cut away where there's definitely no hair on the lace. There was just like a little piece. Now I'm just gonna get my rat tail comb with a little bit of my foundation to brighten the parting. So that looks so good. It's a very nice discreet parting. I just wanted to make it more precise. Yeah, and the hair is literally super straight, like butter. Look at that, look at that, full and luscious. What more could you ask for? It is giving everything right now. Totally love it. Jessie's wig did not mess with the construction of this wig. As I said, the cap is breathable, so that is definitely a highlight point to this wig. The texture of the hair is very silky, very soft, very nice and fine. It's not flimsy, it's not thin, it's very full, straight, silky straight hair. So I always look for that in my straight textures as well. It doesn't have like too much flyaways. It's a nice 1B color, and you know, definitely the most convenient thing is the fact that it is glueless. All right, very beginners friendly. So it's a win. It's a 10. I love it. Love, 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 love. It is a 10, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box. So please, if you're interested in getting a really bomb straight texture glueless lace closure wig, this is one. Definitely highly recommend. Minimal shedding as well, minimal. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Jessie's wig once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.